Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren inaugurates Directorate Building of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, conversion of Loktak Phumdis into organic fertilizers in near future. School left out under School of Pagathanshi mission lies in deplorable condition with no adequate infrastructure and staff. Girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipul, found hanging in hostel room. Police prevent journalists from entering crime scene. Members of Students' Union of Kangleipak along with officials of Food Safety Department start inspection of school boardings and private hostels. Combined team of NDRF, SDRF and Manipur Fire Service recover vehicle that fell off Lilong Bridge last night. Driver of the vehicle still missing. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren inaugurated the new Directorate Building of the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation at Sanjanthong today. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister assured to fill up a vacant post of the department. Biren also stated that proper cultivation of horticulture products like pineapples, lemons, gingers and kiwis can boost the state's economy. He also mentioned that efforts are underway to convert Manipur into an organic state like Sikkim and that the floating mass of the Loktak Lake, locally known as Phumdis, will be converted into organic fertilizers in the near future. First phase construction of the Directorate building started around 8 years ago by Manipur Police Housing Corporation Limited with an investment of 200 lakh rupees sanctioned by 2013-14 state budget. Additional fund of 200 lakh rupees was sanctioned during financial years 2014-15 to construct three more stories of the building, and finally the fourth floor of the building was constructed with an investment of 278 lakh rupees during 2017-18 and 2018-19 financial years. Taking part in the event, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.H. Shyamkumar lauded the initiatives undertaken by the department in recent years and also acknowledged the need to recruit adequate staffs in the department.
Sikkim is a totally organic state. Why not our state, Manipur, have a quick issue of mission? Kanna, Sangsali, Loktak, the Lokatpa Phumdi Mayamsi, machine, chemical fertilizers, replaced on another music. Men Katabayadava, Thamdavayadava, men Porgi, the car wishing to the department, Kudingi, when my Maggie departments into the night for the Vishingo, quite ban lip torga, mention of a Sungo Shway in a quite organi and Nadumade. I am the Taza becomes again.
And the political department, men, Wati, Padana Quiki, like Lomising, the Pung Papa train the Bibiba. Lomising, among Nabido, which is the government in the Agi, Galangi Makata, direct benefit transparent, Aquanji with Tavis and Bibi. Aquanji, Tarekanda, Salakanda, Quiki, believe the table walked over with.
RD and PR Minister T.H. Biswajit urged all the government employees, state leaders and every sections of the society to realize one's own responsibility to bring about a progressive and harmonious state. He was speaking in the one-day awareness program on roles and responsibilities of Gram Rojgar Sahayak, GRS and other technical staff on implementation of MGNREGA today. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department organized the event at Panchayat Bhavan in Porompat. He asserted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is committed to develop all the states of the country to bring forth a new India. Biswajit claimed that meager MGNREGA projects received in the state is due to the misdeeds and lack of performance by the previous government.
NRCS like related any NGO or anything, from any source to the collective. We are unable to action against those who are playing wrong while implementing the NRGS services. NRGS implement anybody, maybe the GRS, maybe the SO, maybe the Panchayat Secretary, maybe the video. At the point of the state toll-free number of toll-free number to the 1-800-345-3872. Any kind of discrepancies,
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee staged a protest demonstration today condemning the hike in price of fuels under the BJP-led NDA government at the centre. Taking part in the protest meet staged on BT Road in front of Congress Bhavan today, MPCC President Gaikangam condemned the BJP-led state government for failing to address the plights facing the people brought on by scarcity of food grains and hike in fuel price in their tussle for leadership post. He pleaded to start initiating works for the welfare of the public.
Yam unprecedented was skyrocketing over Maman Wakalak Pasina Maram Praza, Missan Praza, Himbaware, Lady situation Sida, Linga Nasu, Sigumba, Prazana, Warim say, Massivo Toxha the Badona, and Sun later Badona, Satari Sigumba, Linga Macanisisu on top of Economic Activity, as it is Kalakasida, Linga Lady Ba, Muising Sina, Massi Pamunadana, Prazaki Kanda, Masi, Prazaki, Shiviki Kudam Nate.
Residents of Hyanglam have expressed disappointment that Hyanglam Makha Primary School, which was wrecked by the heavy storm 3 months ago, is left unattended by the state government while it is busy trying to improve only 60 selected schools under School Fagadhanshi mission. Speaking to Impact News, Secretary of Social Welfare Club Hyanglam Makha Lekai Sanasam Binoy stated that Hyanglam Makha Primary School in Hyanglam Constituency, Kakching District, was ravaged by the heavy storm on April 15 this year. He maintained that the school, with a total strength of 29 students, are being taught by only 3 teachers. Binoy also mentioned that classes are being held in a single room for all the students after the storm blew away the classrooms of the school. He lamented that parents are now reluctant to send their children to the school which was once very popular.
School si ati akai kaya nangduna akoi school si da tamamba satra sing hogjik tamba ki duna mama mapa singa tharak ta duna akoi nongsil hek sitpaga nong subaga larik tamba yada badigi akiba kaya nange satra kaya masing yamna tamjaram su ngasi di satra masing adugi mati khandare maram aduna athuba matamda sarkana school si bu yengsin biduna makata na laigla su tamba yana bagi khudong saba du bibirana ba akoi yanglam gi kalap ki maikai dagi khangan jari.
Speaking to media, school headmaster H. Samarendro stated that despite repeated pleas to the authorities concerned to look into the deplorable condition of the school, no initiatives have been taken till date. He stated that classes have to be dismissed even during slightest rainfall due to the pathetic condition of the school building. Samarendro urged the relevant department to look into the matter without further delay.
Department ki maikai de ki zeriona engineer ama tanaraga masigi skunji humto khiba sigi oiba preparation ama charakpa lak ahum makhai de ki tada ba dumba estimate ama semaga thagalo madu dc da submit tawgadoni haidana ai skun ki maikai de ki madu phawdi ai kano tawjare hujik phawba anoba development di laitri.
A girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School in Kanchipur was found hanging in a suspicious manner in the school hostel room today. Apart from family members of the deceased, no one was permitted to enter the boarding premise. The school authority and police even prevented media persons from entering the crime scene. Family members of the deceased were reportedly informed about the incident by the school authority around 5 this morning. The body has been taken to RIMS Hospital for investigation. Impact News sources said that the bizarre incident occurred in a 14-bedded hostel room. State Forensic Department and police immediately rushed to the hostel room to inspect the situation. Sources also said that the deceased was found hanging from the frame of a double bunk bed with plastic ropes tied around her neck. Media persons remained outside the school gate for a long time to collect further details. However, the hostel warden denied access even after removal of the body and collection of necessary evidence by the forensic team. Mother of the deceased has alleged foul play into her daughter's death. She stated that her daughter was found kneeling on the bed with mud on her legs. The broken-hearted mother also mentioned that her husband dropped off their daughter at the hostel last Sunday and there was no report of any fights or problems during her short stay in the hostel. She appeals to the authorities concerned to investigate the incident as soon as possible. Students' Union of Kanglikpak SUK started inspection of school boardings and other private hostels in the state today. SUK appeals to hostel owners to get mandatory registration from the concerned authorities. Members of SUK, accompanied by officials of State Food Safety Department, inspected both girls and boys hostels of Emmanuel's English Academy at Yangang Pokpi, Imphal East today. The team found no proper bathroom and toilets for the girls' hostel located at Thamna Pokpi. Officials of food safety checked the hygiene of the hostel kitchen and instructed the kitchen staffs to store kitchen items properly and to acquire food safety license. Taking part in the inspection, SUK SOCA President Dhana Kumar Ningthauja stated that the drive was carried out owing to the failure of the state government to take necessary measures to curb rising misconducts and deplorable conditions in private boarding homes of the state.
hostel amadi boarding chalai binaba mairo singna laibada ningthina niyom chumna fajana lainaba khoi matam kuinagi mamang dagi takna dun lak adong asi bawda ngasi gi lainga manipur government na thabo amata paikhat piraktaba asina maram morakan da ngasi dagi khoi manipur da leiba school sing da boarding chalai riba amadi lanai hostel chalai riba sing khoi yengchen khongchat ngasi dagi chat pahujabani maram aduna akhoi ngasi ngasi gi lainga da thamning basi athuba matam da manipur da leiriba boarding amadi hostel chalai riba sing gi mafam da akhanna ba niyom amaga loina na hostel amadi boarding chalai hanbinaba thabo oina paikhat piu haiba mafam khoi ngasi lainga ki mafam da thamjari aduga mamang da khoi boarding hostel chalai riba singna oja singna sacha singda karan taramba kaido mayam ma thokre haiba mayam asi matung tarakpada thon danaba sukna akanba mieng amaga loinana sitigi chat pahujari khongjat asi makhatana sangchen gigani.
The DI Tata bearing registration number MN01S1300, which fell off Lilong Bridge into the Lilong River last night around 11 p.m. was recovered today. A combined team of Manipur Fire Service, State Disaster Response Fund and National Disaster Response Force began search operation in the river around 6 a.m. today, and the vehicle was located around 12 noon and finally lifted around 4 p.m. However, driver of the vehicle, identified as 25-year-old MD Hejajuddin, son of MD Firoz from Lilong Irong Chesabam Mayailekai, remains untraceable. According to Impact News sources, the accident occurred when the driver lost control of the vehicle when its popular shaft went loose upon reaching the bridge. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the arrest of two miscreant brothers who forged Transporters and Drivers Council by Imphal Police today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Personnel of Imphal Police Station arrested two miscreant brothers who forged Transporters and Drivers Council TDC and registered themselves illegally at trade unions. Police are on the hunt to arrest 15 more miscreants related to the case. The arrested persons are identified as Laishram Ratan Kuman and Laishram Chandra Kumar Kuman, sons of Laishram Yaima Kuman from Kwakaitil, Haino Kongnengbi, Thokchom Lekai. Speaking to media at TDC office at MG Avenue this afternoon, TDC President H. Ranjit appeals to authority concerned to take necessary legal actions against those who try to defame TDC, which is an apex body of registered driver unions. He alleged that Secretary of Highway Truck Owners Welfare Organization, Hitowo, Laishram Rattankuman, is the mastermind of the forgery. TDC appreciated Manipur DGP, SP Imphal West and officer in charge of Imphal Police Station for booking the miscreants in a short period of time. Imphal Police Station has lodged an FIR against the miscreants under IPC section 420/460 by 469, 472 and 120 clause B. As per the latest updates, the two accused, Laishram Rattankuman and Laishram Chandrakumar Kuman, were produced before CJM Imphal West in Incherab Court today. The court ordered to keep them in police remand for 5 days.
Main equity Haribashi Mastermind Rattankuman, Wakathen, Haino Kunembi, Thokchom Lekai, Highway Owners Organization Secretary Oba Mahana, Aduga, Laisham Chandrakumar Kuman, Hariba Masimano, Anishina, Little Kanda, Labor Department, Hibadi Trade Union, Restat of Selame, Certificate of Pilgrim, TDC Hibashi, Samanabashi, Restat of Selame. Hitu Hiba, Sina, TDC Kangi Kamana, Mama Sana, Equator, Challenge Toreba Mana petitioner, responding in a Queen Web, she, young views, Sima Kangi. Ada huram ban number 1 ne TDC gi ijat mangiba TDC gi badram sariba sigumba mathong monung khangdaba driver amadi businessman kharana cement yonba ama nina hariba lisama semjalakanda restart tokselamase manipur gi oina ijat chokpa wafam amani aduna hariba si police department makata na thijan bidna hariba singsi makata na investigation tobiu amadi chap chaba action ama lakhut pirakani haiba gi thajabadu thamjabaga loina police department busu hanna na thagachari.
Construction of 2 security towers at Chingmairong, Lei Ingkhol has greatly bothered the villagers of Lei Ingkhol. The villagers appeals to the present government not to act like the previous Congress government who carried out forced eviction in the village. It may be mentioned that Maharaj Bodhachandra allocated Lei Ingkhol in Chingmairong for leprosy patients in 1946. Leprosy patients of Lei Ingkhol staged a sit-in today urging the government not to construct the towers. Taking part in the sit-in, 80-year-old leprosy patient Yaithingbam Giridon stated that he has been residing at Lei Ingkhol since he was a little boy along with other leprosy patients as ordered by Maharaja Bodhachandra. He maintained that he is still depressed by the forced eviction carried out by the previous Congress government. Giridon expressed firm belief that the BJP government will not break the trust.
Khoi lai ngoi kan view khoi tan thok pi du pusi chapa ram lai jage khoi siri bhawa lampi ne tron su pi bi de ara khoi sum lai jage aruga hri hana palami ba sarkar aru tawira mu lo hari hu pali ba sarkar sina ai khoi se tawinu chan bi du na ai khoi sum lai han view hai.
Taking part in the sit-in, General Secretary Publicity of Lei Ingkhol Youth Development Organization, Arambam Sajan Meitei, stated that 12 leprosy patients and their 2,100 descendants have been inhabiting at Lei Ingkhol for a long time. He expressed disappointment that the previous Congress government instructed eviction of the villagers from their home. He urged the state government to look into their plights and restore peace in the village.
Koigi Lariba Lakai Sigi Awang Thangba Maikai Amadi Kha Thangba Maikai da security gi number of post 2 Amogi security gi get anikak sabagi kano su tawe nungnang mapawe tumba yade saba khangnadi adi angang sing school chakhiba sing adidi mapanda thabak tamni gi ngasagi nungnang aga dum laireba lairik paga du pabam khangje yum inkhonam ta akoigi semjan gani haibasu ngasagi nungnang baduna maram orakanda aina kari tawgadabno haibado tawraga laibagum le.
Conflict Widows Forum has strongly condemned the recent gunshot threat upon the daughter of Mangshatabam Sobita, Secretary of Women Action Development WAD from Naurem Lekai Pichu Lampak. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, convener of Conflict Widows Forum Gangarani Kongkham stated that Sobita's daughter was threatened by some miscreants who came in a gypsy at Singjamai on July 4, and later in the same day around 7, the same miscreants fired gunshots at their house gate. Gangarani appeals to authority concerned to book the miscreants at the earliest.
Sumaina nongmai se pairaga sina pham khangdana sinarga miyoibda live ten onsinduna miyobi punsi temsingnabse akhoi pamjade aduna athu matamda haiba miyoy singase puthokpiyu aduga puthoktaba targadi akhoi makhata khongjin changsinjagini aduga tasena habda akhoi widows conflict widows ki nupi singase asumba da setheng phanglaba haide akhoi gi isa sing akhoi ni hingunda suki mati mayokne habse nongmaina padalamne solamnina akhoi adugi mati wan hingeba aduna akhoi sigi asumna miyoibda temsingnaba miyoy punsi mangba yaba sum thogdoksi makhata na tahoningde adu thogdoksi pangthokliba akhoi gi ibung ipa oibasing adagi isa sing da akhoi request tawri wakhal taminaraga asumba pamdaba thogdoksi matungda amona thoktanaba khotnase.
Unknown miscreants planted one Chinese hand grenade at the gate of Deputy Manager of Babina Diagnostic, Ningombam Sukumar in Yashkul Hiru Hanbalekai under Imphal Police Station today. Sukumar's father, Santi Chan, came across the hand grenade around 5:30 a.m. Upon being informed, a police team led by Imphal Police SDPO and Imphal West Commando OC rushed to inspect the site. Later, State Bomb Disposal Squad defused the bomb around 8 a.m. No one knows as to who and why the hand grenade was planted. Imphal Police has registered a case into the incident. The High Court of Manipur has ordered to hold no confidence motion meeting of Lamshang Nagar Panchayat within 2 weeks. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Councillor of Lamshang Nagar Panchayat Ward Number 1, Yumnam Nilamani, stated that there were 5 BJP councillor and 4 Congress councillor for 9 wards of Lamshang Nagar Panchayat, but with the recent entry of 1 BJP councillor into the Congress party has secured simple majority, and as per Municipality Act, Congress should be the ruling party. He maintained that the High Court was approached following failure of the Mahoot to hold no confidence motion meeting despite repeated pleas. Nilamani maintained that the High Court gave the verdict on July 15 to hold the meet.
Honorable High Court of Manipur na order ama thokpidana hariba no confidence motion Lamshang Nagar Panchayat ki no confidence motion je meeting je 2 week ki manungda pakthokadabani haidan order ama thoe akoina kijari di smai tobone Imphal Municipal Corporation da Government of Manipur na suspension thamba sumaina Lamshang Nagar Panchayat ju thamakadra haibagi akibaji akoi leijaba tabudu akoi gi di praja miyam da khangan janingi je tai nate Lamshang Nagar Panchayat ti already 15/7/2019 da High Court of Manipur na no confidence motion gi akoi gi meeting pangthoi da order thoktana leire aduna masigi posima akoi praja miyam da Manipur gi miyam khuding ta khangan ningdana ngasi press meet se pangthok sabani.
All Manipur Students Union Amsu Oripok branch organized a meritorious award conferring ceremony for the successful students of Oripok constituency in the recent Class 10 and Class 12 examination at the Community Hall of Oripok, Pachaspati Lekai today. Amsu President Peter Lystrom, Social Worker Nunglepam, Manipur Student Olympic Association Working Chairman N. Santosh and Consulting Editor of Huyen Lanpao Daily M. Dhanabir graced the event. Kangleipak fundraising organization Lamphel provided assistance to elderly inmates of the old-age home at Mongchangai today. Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary of the organization, N. Johnson, stated that the organization was formed by like-minded individuals who want to help destitute people in May 2012. Johnson maintained that the organization has no affiliation with any political parties or any influential individuals.
Isagi akoi self deployment ngakani isagi hinabi thadoga isagi oijaba thiraga mayam ge karigumba kharadi tawrumba phai society je hingambagi haibadugi wakhalon da ngasi Kangleipak fundraising organization thoksarakpani aduga matungda su sidagi hena koina 12 months asida tha 23 koina tha khudingi leita laira sing dangam loina mangamni habnati angam khara dang oresu tawnabe panam thamli madu ngamba su oijaba.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren inaugurates Directorate Building of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department. Conversion of Loktak Phumdis into organic fertilizers in near future. School left out under School Fagathanshi mission lies in deplorable condition with no adequate infrastructure and staff. Girl student of Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, found hanging in hostel room. Police prevent journalists from entering crime scene. Members of Students' Union of Kanglei along with officials of Food Safety Department start inspection of school boardings and private hostels. And combined team of NDRF, SDRF and Manipur Fire Service recover vehicle that fell off Lilong Bridge last night. Driver of the vehicle still missing.